Here we have a 2014 Toyota 4Runner SR5, loaded up model, black, red accents on all the Toyota badging. Really sharp, Bridgestone tires, running boards, power sunroof, roof rack. Body's in very good condition. No real dents or scratches, no rust. 2-inch tow package, rear backup camera. Tinted windows, power door locks, power mirrors, full leather interior, power driver seat, leather wrapped steering wheel with stereo controls, driver information center, hands-free Bluetooth. It's got the app system. You got the backup camera here, hands-free, like I said, the Bluetooth controls, turn-by-turn navigation, heat and air conditioning, automatic transmission, your 4-wheel drive on the fly right down there, heated seats, your sunroof, nice big back seat, side impact, side curtain airbags, back seats fold down flat. All WeatherTech floor mats. Got a 400-watt AC plug back here. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, which is hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open until 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.